if you're on the hunt for the best beard trimmer to keep your facial hair looking sharp and stylish, this video is for you. After trying countless trimmers, we've narrowed down the top 5 beard trimmers for men in 2024, focusing on performance, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're aiming for a clean, precise trim or a rugged, well-groomed look, these trimmers have got you covered. So, if you're eager to find out which trimmer will suit your grooming needs best, stay until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Let's check out the Manscale Beard Trimmer Stainless Steel. You know how annoying it is to deal with all those clipper attachments scattered around your bathroom counter. This trimmer actually solves that with a really cool zoom wheel that gives you 20 different length settings. No more fumbling around with attachments when you want to switch up your beard style. The power on this thing is pretty impressive. We're talking about a motor that runs at 7,200 revolutions per minute. Plus, it's got a titanium-coated T-blade. What does that mean for you? It cuts through thick beard hair really easily, so you're not spending forever going over the same spots. I particularly like how it picks up those stubborn flat-lying hairs. You know, the ones that usually need multiple passes. One feature I really appreciate is that it's fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating. You can use it in the shower, rinse it under the tap, and no problem at all. The battery life is solid too. You get about 60 minutes of use from a full charge, which is great if you're traveling or just tend to forget about charging your devices. Now, I should mention a few things that aren't perfect. The trimmer is a bit on the bulky side, which might take some getting used to if you're coming from a smaller model. Also, the travel case's zipper isn't the best quality. It can be a bit finicky sometimes. And yeah, it's not the cheapest option out there, but considering what you're getting, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're serious about beard maintenance. Overall, the Manscale Beard Trimmer delivers what it promises. It's well built, performs great, and makes beard trimming pretty straightforward if you're looking to upgrade your grooming setup and don't mind spending a bit more for quality. This is definitely one to consider. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out further. Next up, let's dive into the Panasonic Cordless Trimmer. Boasting an impressive 58 length settings, achieving the perfect beard length can be a challenge. But this trimmer tackles that issue effectively thanks to its Japanese blade technology. It makes a noticeable difference. I tried it on my dense beard, and it slices through effortlessly without any pulling or discomfort. One feature I particularly appreciate is the quick adjust dial, allowing you to fine-tune your length in precise half-millimeter increments. Ideal for maintaining your preferred style. The package includes 4 comb attachments, which are useful whether you're grooming your beard or managing other body hair. Its waterproof design is a bonus. You can use it in the shower and rinse it under running water without any hassle. The grip is comfortable, which is crucial when you're focusing on detailed trimming around your neckline or cheeks. However, I must be upfront about the battery. While they advertise 50 minutes of runtime, it often falls short of that mark. There's also an O battery indicator, which can be inconvenient. I found this out the hard way when it ran out of juice mid-trim one morning. Additionally, it requires a specific charger, and it would have been more convenient if it supported universal serial bus charging. That said, there's still a lot to appreciate here. The blades are incredibly sharp, providing a clean cut every time. It charges relatively quickly, which somewhat compensates for the battery shortcomings. Considering what you get for the price, it's a pretty good deal. In summary, if you're looking for a trimmer with a wide range of length options and a dependable cut, the Panasonic is worth considering. Just make sure to keep the charger nearby and avoid waiting until the last minute to charge it. Check out the link in the description for more details on the specifications and current pricing. Introducing the BrightUp Cordless Beard Trimmer, a tool that's been gaining quite a bit of buzz recently. If you're tired of having a cluttered bathroom with various grooming gadgets, this trimmer might be your solution. It comes equipped with 6 different trimmer heads and 6 combs, covering everything from your beard to nose hair and even eyebrows. It's a real all-in-one package that's super handy. One feature I find particularly useful is its washability. You can easily detach the blades and rinse them underwater, eliminating the hassle of using tiny brushes or dealing with hair getting stuck. This has streamlined my morning routine significantly. The dual-speed function is another highlight. For regular trimming, it operates at 7,300 revolutions per minute. But if you're tackling a thicker beard, you can boost it to 8,800 revolutions per minute, and it handles the job effortlessly. Plus, it's surprisingly quiet, so you can groom early in the morning without disturbing anyone. The light-emitting diode display is a thoughtful addition, showing you exactly how much battery life is left. Speaking of battery, it offers about 90 minutes of use from a 1.5-hour charge, which is more than sufficient for a couple of weeks of regular grooming. However, there are a few drawbacks to mention. The guard lengths aren't always precise, which can be a bit annoying if you're meticulous about your stubble length. Additionally, while the trimmer itself feels robust, the storage tray seems a bit flimsy, and it would have been nice if more attention had been paid to its design. Despite these minor issues, the BrightUp offers great value for its price. It's dependable, user-friendly, and gets the job done without unnecessary extras. If you're interested in checking it out, I've included a link in the description below. Let's explore the free cordless beard trimmer kit, which has been generating quite a buzz recently. If you're tired of having various grooming tools cluttering your bathroom counter, this kit could be the solution. It includes 7 trimmer heads and 10 hair combs, allowing you to tackle a wide range of grooming tasks, from beard upkeep to body hair trimming. The battery life is commendable, offering around 60 minutes of use on a single charge, so you won't be constantly searching for the charger. The cordless design is a major plus, making it incredibly convenient for travel or when you want to trim your beard without being tethered to an outlet. The steel blades are a standout feature, cutting through hair smoothly without the annoying pulling or tugging, often experienced with cheaper trimmers. It's also impressively quiet, with a motor running at 6,500 revolutions per minute without sounding like a lawn mower in your bathroom. However, there are a couple of areas that could be improved. If you have particularly thick hair, you'll need to be patient, as it's not the fastest trimmer available. Additionally, while a stand is included, it doesn't accommodate all the attachments, which can be inconvenient if you prefer to keep everything organized in one place. One unique aspect is its design, featuring a cool steampunk aesthetic that sets it apart from the usual trimmers. The build quality feels robust, suggesting it should last a good while. For the price, you get a lot of versatility and decent quality. If you're in search of an all-in-one grooming solution that won't break the bank, this is worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details on the specifications and current pricing. Let's dive into the Wall stainless steel beard trimmer, a tool I've been putting through ITS paces for some time now. What stands out about this trimmer is its ability to tackle all your facial grooming needs. The 4 interchangeable heads are a real game changer, allowing you to seamlessly transition from trimming a full beard to crafting precise cheek lines. And it even handles nose and ear hair with ease. The battery life is another highlight, offering an impressive 3.5 hours of use on a single charge. I've been using it for weeks without needing to recharge, which is a blessing if you're like me and often forget to charge your gadgets. One of my favorite features is the set of 10 guide combs. They provide a range of length options, from a very short 1/16 of an inch to a longer half-inch. This versatility is great for experimenting with different styles and keeping your look fresh. However, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. The trimmer is a bit smaller than anticipated, and while the stainless steel finish looks sleek, it can become slippery if your hands are wet. Additionally, the power button can be finicky when the battery is low, sometimes staying on or off unexpectedly. A handy feature for travelers is its compatibility with various voltages worldwide. The build quality is robust, suggesting it will stand the test of time. Although it lacks an adjustable blade, the variety of attachments more than compensates for this absence. In conclusion, the Wall stainless steel beard trimmer offers excellent value for money. It's dependable, adaptable, and performs its tasks efficiently. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included a link in the description below.